ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सम्मति भगवान.
If we want to bring real peace to the world, we must start educating children. With this philosophy of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, our founder president and Dalit Mitra Awadi, Shri Vaman Raoji Vanmadi, was of firm belief that the quality education in rural area can bring significant upshots in the society. With this ideology, Manoharbhai Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Armories established Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and late NP Commerce College in 1981 in Armory town of Gadchiroli district with the vision to educate, encourage and empower the girls and boys of this rural and tribal area, and with the mission to include the excluded, to educate for self-reliance, to promote national integration, to make commitment to community and to create environmental awareness. Being an institute in rural area makes us much more accountable for providing quality higher education. To offer an academic opening of every sort, our institute has a wide diversity in programs. To calibrate students as a pillar of resilient and prosperous society, we offer Bachelor of Arts, where students can opt multiple combinations among given subjects. In the shifting world to e-commerce, the commerce faculty of our institution sows the seed of an entrepreneur among students. To inculcate the scientific tempo among students, we offer Bachelor of Science, where students can opt multiple combination among the given subjects. Encouragement of higher education for our youth is critical to the success of our collective future. To ensure it, institution offers master degree in Marathi, history, economics, sociology, mathematics, zoology, chemistry and geology. For the quality research culture among aspiring students, institute had offered centers of higher learning in history, Marathi, sociology, mathematics and zoology. The institute has devoted much of the effort for the development of infrastructure for fulfilling ever upcoming needs of the students.
A scholarly ambience in well-resourced laboratories is the uniqueness of our institution.
The availability of sophisticated instruments makes our learning more precise and world-class.
Apart from academics, our institution has a strong representation in sports right from university to international level.
मी माझ्या यशाचे श्रेय माझ्या महाविद्यालयाला देते आणि मला गर्व आहे की मी या महाविद्यालयाची विद्यार्थिनी आहे.
Whenever I look at my sports achievement, I feel great to be a part of this institute. So I appeal you to all join us.
Our institution consistently motivates faculty for quality research. Around 17 faculty members are PhD holders and many supervisors among them. Thus, every year our institute contributes approximately 30 research articles of various subjects in national and international journals. Apart from that, numerous paper presentation comes to our credit every year. Multiple research-oriented workshops, seminars and conferences were organized by our institution to provide a platform for intellect. Our institution has also established certain memorandum of understanding with strategic agencies like Page Tiger Conservation Foundation, Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve, Gondia, Forest Department, Government of Maharashtra. The institute consistently strives for external funding for the betterment of students. In response, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited has aided our institution in various forms. In 2017, NAC Bangalore re-accredited our institution with A grade as a token of our quality sustenance. Along with this, the institute has achieved many awards like State Level Road Safety Award, Best College Award, Best Magazine Award, Best NSS Unit Award, Best Principal Award, and many more. The overall development of the student and enable them to achieve higher is the prime objective of our institution.
Whenever I see my achievements, I feel very fortunate of being a part of this institute.
If I make my career out of it, the credit will be of the faculty and facility of this institution.
The institute have a registered alumni association through which they contribute in the development of the institute and motivates the upcoming generations.
Hello, I am Gauri Vaibhav Modkare, completed master degree in zoology, qualified GATE. On that basis, entered to IIT Roorkee as a research fellow for 3 years. Meanwhile, attended IGSH summer school program in 2008 at Germany. Presented paper in International Zoological Conference at Cape Town in 2016. Presently, I am senior zoologist at Zoological Survey of India Central Region Nagpur. Magical turn in my career from ITI to IIT was only possible by the Mahatma Gandhi College Armory. I am grateful to the faculties for their valuable guidance and Mahatma Gandhi College for providing all support and facilities to make my dream true. Thank you.
मी योगेंद्र शांताराम शेंडे एक सामान्य कुटुंबातील विद्यार्थी आहे. माझे महाविद्यालयीन शिक्षण महात्मा गांधी महाविद्यालय आरमोरी जिल्हा गडचिरोली येथे झालेले आहे. मी या महाविद्यालयातून पदवी व पदव्युत्तर शिक्षण तिथे घेतलेले आहे. पदवीधर शिक्षण घेत असताना महाविद्यालयाच्या माझ्या गुरुजनांनी स्पर्धापूर्व परीक्षेची तयारी करून घेतल्यामुळे मला महाराष्ट्र लोकसेवा आयोगाकडून आयोजित केलेल्या स्पर्धा परीक्षेसाठी मी जिल्हा कौशल्य विकास रोजगार उद्योजकता मार्गदर्शन अधिकारी या पदावर माझी 2013 मध्ये निवड झाली आणि त्या माध्यमातून मला प्रशासकीय सेवेत येण्याची संधी मिळाली. त्यामुळे मी महाविद्यालयाचे खूप आभारी आहे आणि महाविद्यालयाने जो उपक्रम राबविला त्यामुळे मी या पदावर येऊन पोहोचलेलो आहे. थँक्यू.
Ultimately, our institution believes the development of the students is the development of the nation. Thanks for watching.